Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're unpacking Google's massive leap from basic chatbots to proactive AI agents.
Okay, let's dive into this. Imagine your phone not just answering questions, but actually doing your chores.
Meet Gemini Omni. It's the master orchestrator, mixing text, images, and your avatars to generate custom videos.
Forget standalone models just chasing benchmarks. Omni introduces a totally fresh conversational workflow for creating media.
The avatar's flow is seamless. Just capture a quick selfie, lock in your identity, and jump into scenes. So, the crucial point is this leaked code proves you can literally drop yourself into custom videos.
The rollout timeline is aggressive. From today's Android show to upcoming device drops, it's happening incredibly fast.
Let's see how this builds into Gemini intelligence, turning Android apps from reactive tools into proactive assistants.
A long press of the power button now runs complex tasks, like instantly booking rides or reordering meals.
Tools like Rambler fix everyday friction by magically turning your messy, multilingual speech into clean text messages.
Widgets are getting upgraded too. Just ask, and AI instantly builds customized dashboards, like a meal prep tracker.
Coming this June for Pro subscribers, Chrome Auto Browse will literally navigate the web to reserve parking.
Meanwhile, personal intelligence connects your ecosystem to instantly pull context and fill out complex forms for you.
And this brilliantly illustrates how you keep control. You confirm purchases and can track all cross-app data.
Under the hood, defenses like private compute cores and prompt injection safeguards ensure your data stays completely locked down.
So, your phone can officially run your errands now. Are you ready to let AI take the wheel?